you are wamanyuku ahwehwe ni watu baby na yeni Ghana nkomo because this is where we speak the uncomfortable truth. No krenwa emano enya wo de bia wamanyuku ntino ene ye kanon so na adebisi ewo Ejisu municipality na wo hwe enra said na waves ni mutia bra Facebook in 104.5 and YouTube nso ye live ye hwe no eni but there are more to this issue it was yetimi eka ho asem na me pese obehwe ade na sebe atrobi ni no ma bi afefa mu ni nyina no yetumi eka ho asem na yetwe mpanimfo adwene esi bibi so se wo ba Facebook this is a bra Santa watawani nyina ehwase between the Ashanti Regional Women's Organizer Gloria Huzi and the Ejisu MCE Jerry Ashanti. This is the beginning of everything. Na bra Facebook berade. Ebra omo warehouse wa na enkomo twetwe ne ekos. In fact, it was a very calm interaction until say Akokoa sorry. Berhadia. Inti usha ehono na webisa no se MC no ebisa se ne one man kwan ma Gloria Huzi no one man Gloria Huzi kwan ma obeyusu sa warehouse wono ena oyi ano no wa mo nipa kro ni edin ena MC no prompt se nipa kro de man no hwan eho na Gloria ka che ne se unim nipa kro de man mi nti pretend se unim nipa kro de man mi Eti nipa oka say Gloria Huzi ti no ono jari no jina ho oni mi odi hama se fa ni wona moni eti ono no di moji ese ono na e do mata se ha no Ghana school feeding edi ya ma be bu na nipa se oni pa oba so di mi nya se but oba so di mi nya se ma me so me no be nya se oba so di mi nya se be to so yenu when bra me tell you what a second you know we bra no se oba so di mi nya se ba jari me no be nya se what na me ka jari oba so di mi nya se me no be nya se madam ise wutia Gloria Huzi na ka se unim nipa kro pese unim nya asem a unim benya asem na Jerry nso ene ne namase se o ma yehu nipa kro se dipa ode ma no boni die me yehu nipa kro. That is the conversation ha na sha ase edu ba bi no tempest efleye. Let's listen to it. Onim me ya the boss me ya the original boss it is say onim esa ko dika invite me so how ya say it should be about you and it is say Entino ohwa aha na chese aha na ensem no ehwase ebra ye bisa no hwan na de ma wo ana se bibisa MC want to know who gave that place to her no na ehwase a tempest no fly ekosoro nkakran so edu ba bi no na akoye twema mentwepa Intuitie dear ODD atem krasini by NDC na yefu ya. That's the voice of Gloria Huze. Now this went on ma issue no ekokopie eye DC no officer na empanifo ye se ombetena se ahwe na wono mo aka ho asem, but then office won so this is what happened. Ti omo ka se bibia nkoso office wo bibia nkoso office na ye warehouse wo no. I've given you that of the warehouse, and then when they went to the office no so said ye hoti ni office ni hwede table na ye. So look at what has been done to the table and all that. By way of Facebook. If you want to say, any office one a warehouse misinformation, need the kika kaono. This is a video at the office of the MCE.
Obani ko yade nam ko bubuna
AG Gloria Huze, Ashanti Regional Women Organizer, and I would say, or can say, oh, Jerry Fafun, a video me na Nebuafua. As a Udi atemo hono. And after this, me pese me wi ana maka ne me woka na after this na Gloria Huze wotis wo ka say na Odi Jerry na atemi interview be a course or your women organizer for the NDC. Gloria Huze, NDC, Ashanti Regional Women Organizer. Na interview course on the Fox FM on a Boboba show. Na Gloria say and to kwabia nkoso is a MC woni na nya kasakasa no no bi foforo. Etidina no obo anu wodi atem no. Enyina no a obo Jerry na wodi Jerry na atem nyina no on Fox FM. She said she never insulted verbally. And I said wa attack Jerry, but no no bi foforo. This is what she said.
Obi anu wa attack Jerry na police for. Baby ana kasakasa koso na yewe. Obi anu wa attack Jerry na police for. Baby ana kasakasa koso na yewe house of. Eno no ye menye constituency mama constituency chairman. Ena na nya kasakasa e waka no ho enye MC no. That time we account warehouse na some we are. On ma kwatra ne ka mu. Ti MC na di ne phone. E video me wa bra na menye former chairman no e ya kasakasa no.
Enti wadinan se wa anya hwe ba manya abotra bo videos ne mi ense nyina a kire ene ne audio ya wo kasa wo Fox FM no. Na ohwe ba bi free wo warehouse wo no a e de ba besi office wo de esi ye na wutie Gloria Huze ya wo kasa se wa anka just woni MC na enya asem bia anase wa attack no verbally attacked in interest wa ko china bodo wudi na tem cry we have attacked, you have assaulted verbally, and so Odinai said that thing didn't go on, but utie she video ni na. Now the issue is that Ejisu ewo 5 store warehouse bia na first na ye kuku shelf for kuku board for edia na because of one mo nhihye bi ni assembly no a anko yie any sketchy be no mutuama assembly no na enhyɛ da enku yi enti no aban dada no apenso no nam so ma this particular warehouse no eba be di assembly ni nsɛm assembly no ene hwɛ so na aban dada no apenso nyinaa no na warehouse no process anase de free mu ba nyinaa no assembly no na yɛ account when auditors come enti aban we eba ye no nyinaa no MCE a wa be ye Jerry na Santi saa warehouses no a ɛwɔ hɔ no ɛyɛ mako enum no emu miensa ɛdeɛ per investigations ya mia mawura mu atietie mu no deɛ na kyerɛ mu miensa no NDC mpanimfo bi ɛwɔ adwo so wɔn mu agye ɛno miensa no a wɔn mu di edi wɔn dwuma na deɛ aka no a ɛyɛ mienu a MCE no assembly no handle no last September auditors by Jerry na Santi ekoye ho akonta no wonu bisa ne se omu hia miensa na aka no so ho akontabuo sanse ni nyina ya aban de enti ese ho akontabuo eba tie ne yepa enti assembly members ye wadwo so ebinom kura approachi MC ka kire ne se Jerry na Santi say abandada na penso no na omo ya account so kama ewo warehouses no ho hu die free mu ba nyina etidi nti na wama kwan ma ne party fuo ni bi a take over the warehouses no a aban edia no and so wanya wono mu be stage na wama ye vote of no confidence against her na enu na ama Jerry na Santi ne ho no sanse Ejisu municipality no say most of the assembly members we say assembly members dey yemo omudin say omo MPP NDC dey ba ye nyina yenim say wo kwa ase ho asa na tie omo nyina obi a wo party odon na wo hwemu a MPP for na dawson among the assembly members it is a kobane say omo stage so be no vote of no confidence onim say den a wo betu atia no as MCE enti at the initial stage no Oshase se oni omo beye meeting na omo meeting here this week oni assembly for no omo meeting here this week enti yeso oshase na otumi hwe warehouse no ho asem ka na anya hwe kura no she has to visit the warehouses no na wo hwe say everything is in order enye te say baby a NDC for no agye akofa ni nyina no wono mo etna ho kwa na emum se bi o mpese o mutrem kura na o mu fa kwan paso because e aban dia no mu kwan o mbefa so a accountability ana hu akuntabuo no ebetumi akoyie enu na wutie women organizer ya asem o kana unim de ode ma me nya wadwen se unim de ode ma me but yenim se aban agapade bia ewo municipality district bia mu no eye aban krache a ogina John Dramani mama enemu a Ghana constitution edu o man agapade nyina hye president nsa no so no bo obi din so o meye MC wo area agapade wo area ho nyina no indirectly ehye ne nsa a eso wo hwe so edisa wuti aban agapade bi mu a the MCE must know that is how it's supposed to be enisa obia fufuro bia ni baby a wotumi say otumi ede aban agapade ma wo say yusu a the MCU of the area eni ho hwe yanka no kore ewukuru mu a untumi nka say aban agapade bi siwo makofa de ye de meye because me party na aba aban mu ma ban e na aba nti ma be fa de ye de meye MC kura me nka nkire no ono na ye aban krachi wo si president enemba me mfi no de me pe na meye na yenye ne sa you can't do that. You can't do that. Say me your original boss. Uche Gloria Wizina, me your original boss. Enti ukra no so obi dia mamia. Utumi be na hey, he's just say this woman Jerry Nasanti eye MCU. Or ye MC. Ono MS security ye wo ho nyina hye ne nsa. Ona ejapade ya ban de nyina hye ne nsa. Enti obi dia ma wo no no be ye ho account no. You don't want her to know who gave it to you. No, obisa simple questions. Why na dem awa? Now it tends to insult. Did the attempt? Warehouse war. because what buy na aba or ye wine or ye MC or ye wine because mu hu say osha mu hu say osha enti ye no ye ne regional executives of the NDC. This is not the first time. So this same executives here NDC mpanimfo ewo ejuso yi wo mu na kwoto to NHIS office mu ewo ejuso na nse ya omo a constituency youth organizer na omo ekeka ho ekwoto to mpam pani kese a won na da NHIS ano ewo ejuso. It is becoming too much. This assembly sa warehouse in semiso asa frafra executives say NDC executives in ejuso. Nana Kwesi regional chairman be proactive and act on this because the Ejuso executives are becoming notorious. The Ejuso NDC executives almost ye notorious. Ghana embrawaha o party ba mu asabe sa warehouse nesi wono enye NDC sika na yedisi ye. Let me tell you if you don't know. Sa warehouses nesi wono NDC enye NDC sika na yedisi ye. Abaidada no buy no, they were accountable for it. NDC about almost be accountable for it, and they will leave. The warehouse will be there. And you buy there, and you NDC there. So you can't tell us, oh yeah, Ashanti Regional NDC Women's Organizer, Entino, just say, Eddie, and into what you say, buy a Japadiano, oh yeah, the Opewa Bra MC Entimin Kauri. Now we are friend the Public Accounts Committee, MC is a from a Public Accounts Committee. Ni could go many more say all because of party for obi kra contract obegin wontimi nye enso no aba MC am fa ma no asem nko a nti wode be ma no ontimi nye na ka ba ni afra MC no what Public Accounts Committee na nanim agu ase na na busua bi aka wo because of partyism. We don't think about the progress of this country. Ani ye ho sa Mami Gloria Wuzi, let me tell you, you cannot occupy government property. Adia wa abai dimu say we a party executive nti who occupy no without the MC knowing. And you're wrong. So you can't crunch them, you can't crunch them. And a constituency chairman, you reach as I'm watching. Anyone more can one. No sorry, a bay juma NHIS. Some would your course war and in Guasia Modeba and then MC Ankasa. News not trendy. Look at what you guys are doing. Someone with them way. Now when you know, may something is clear to me because all you are, you are just some watching. Only DC you know you know pay. And a Gloria Wuzi, Nhyira and now 2020 or your parliamentary candidate for the NDC. Ewa Joshua. Eya George Kwame Wuzi. Na ono supra epe DC bibi enti nipa miensa wo mu di course ro ha na ese mampani hwemu yi ba ko no eye Jerry no ene George Kwame Wuze no eye Gloria Wuze ye Ashanti regional women organizer for the NDC ni Nhyira George no wonu mu di ko bi ena chairman yi wo mu nyina no mu pedi enti Jerry ekoba say obi a oye parliamentary candidate for the party NS wotumi ye be picking for every constituency no a comma Jerry no because currently no one yet parliamentary candidate for 2024 no a comma no a year will be wasiye and we can see that it's clear nanya sanka wedi enkadien enye sa pa ka wedi enkadien so wuti aban japadiem MC a wogina aban na mu aba so obisa say why na de ho ma wo because wono onya ye mo na mane a eno so kodane atem didie ni attack ene ye be you say na threat bebrebe otan hunu sa manipa ne nya adwuma. What is that Nana Kwesi Ashanti regional NDC chairman Foundation fam na Joseph won begu ani mu ase una ye chairman bibia ba beso agu tiri so for the NDC enim guase agye ewo Ejisu Ashanti region no ebi be come call these guys to order enya too much. It was NHIS today you do MCE office from warehouse to the office you dey omaye ho nyina
Nhyira
104.5 FM.
Oh yeah! Come on! Nhyira
104.5 FM.